So, in relation to Giromax Edgecoat treatment on a roof, you could be looking at the sheet overlap, sheet gutter eave edge, or the top overlap between sheet and roof light. When prepping the main area that you're going to be working on, it needs to be done correctly to ensure that the product application adheres well. Ensure any area to be worked on is structurally sound. This is usually determined by whether corrosion has reached the first fixing point and beyond. If you're in any doubt, contact Giromax before proceeding any further. If there is a particularly heavy buildup of lichen, moss or algae, then a fungicidal wash should be used to remove that.
This should then be thoroughly rinsed to ensure all residue is removed, then wiped with Giromax panel wipe.
In order to prepare the area you're going to be working on, you need to make sure it's clean, free of rust, flaking coatings, loose debris and any other contaminants. The most effective way to ensure this is to use a jet washer with a fan head. This should achieve that neat clean finish with a clear break line. If this isn't practical, then a thorough preparation should be undertaken using manual scrubbing methods.
Any previous treatment should be removed so that the substrate is back to service metal. If this isn't possible, remove as much as is practicable and contact Giromax to discuss compatibility and carrying out an adhesion test. If required, this is achieved by applying the products and leaving them for 48 hours, then assessing before any further application.
Once the surface is cleaned, you must ensure that all corrosion is removed and prepared back to ST3 standards and loose coatings are removed back to a firmly adhered edge. These steps can either be done with a heavy tungsten carbide scraper or a grinder. This is purely down to preference and will be dependent upon the circumstances of the individual project. However preparation is achieved, the resultant surfaces should be keyed and not shiny. The remaining coating should then be feathered to avoid edge curl. Remove any excess water between the two sheets on the overlap either by wiping out or using a leaf blower. This will help make the product application easier in the following stages. Wipe with Giromax panel wipe to clean off any last remaining contaminants. If there are any areas where corrosion has progressed through the entire thickness of the top sheet, then these need to be cut out to produce a sound edge before further preparation is undertaken. Or if the area affected is more severe, then the area can be cut out and a panel of matching profile can be secured in place using sealant. Now you have an area which is clean, free of corrosion and loose debris, and that has a firmly adhered feathered edge which is ready for product application.